No! Yay! No! Yay! No! Yay! Hey guys, it's Tiffany. What is freaking up, you guys? As you guys can tell by the title of this video, we are doing another epic room makeover transformation extreme edition. A lot of you guys called me out in my last video that it wasn't an extreme enough makeover, so we are doing it bigger and better than I did in my living room. If you guys haven't watched that video yet, make sure you guys go watch it. Today, we are doing an epic room transformation. Please excuse the mess behind me. I am in the process of literally moving everything around, and I wanted everything to be as real as possible, so I wanted to leave the mess behind me. I wanted you guys to see and feel how my room actually looks like in the moment. Last night, I did move a bunch of stuff around that I knew I couldn't move myself. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like last night, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like today as well. But yeah, just letting you guys know that this morning I woke up, I did not want to film this video at all. I was dreading making this video because it was going to be so much work for me to do this all by myself, and I figured I might as well just do it over the course of a couple days. I just think I'm in a really weird headspace right now, so yeah, just hug your loved ones, guys. Like, just tell them you love them every single day. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this epic room transformation. Whoop. Let's go. So let me show you guys what my room looked like before I started anything. All right, so the room is a slight mess right now. As you guys can see, we are in the process of decorating it and moving things around inside of here. So this is what this looks like. All the little babies are running around right now. I'm gonna clean this up after, but we are moving some furniture around. This is what it looks like right now. Over here we have this little guy. Just looks like this. Why did you push that if you're going outside already? And over here, this is what it looks like. This is this corner. Here is this corner. This room to me really isn't a room, which is why it looks kind of crazy. We actually don't ever sleep in here because the feng shui of this room is so off. So today we're gonna rearrange a couple of things with furniture.
All right, you're already working on it.
A desk that was in the office room. I'm so excited to see it.
The next morning.
So here is an update on how my room looks like right now. It is still completely a giant mess. I have not touched it since last night. I didn't want to move a thing, so let me show you guys. All right, so this is what the room currently looks like. I need to clean up everything, but after Matt and Andrew moved the desk and everything inside of here, it looks a lot better. It looks a lot cozier already, which is so freaking amazing. But the first step we need to do is actually clean up this room. So I just need a blank space. We're gonna move everything out that doesn't need to be here, that doesn't belong in here, or that I know for sure I'm not gonna use. Let's start doing it. So the first thing we're actually gonna do is put up a wallpaper. I have like the cutest wallpaper that I got from Urban Outfitters. Yes, I changed my outfit. Is this not the cutest set from PacSun? Either way, besides the point, I need to move my bag because I'm gonna fill up this entire wall. Oh no, don't fall, because I can't pick you up. I can't pick you up. No! No! Dang it! It fell. I'm barely tall enough, shoot. But I am not tall enough to reach the tippy top, like I barely am. So I'm gonna find a couple books to stack underneath the chair, which I know is so dangerous. And I know the last time I was on a ladder, I literally fell and died and came back to life. I literally have like 13 pins in my foot right now because I fell off a ladder once. Oh, I have a stool I can use. I'm pretty sure I have a stool that would work better. Oh yeah, this is better. This is better. Okay, we figured it out. Okay, so the wallpaper I'm using is this pink wallpaper right here. It's supposed to look like the waves of an ocean. I have personally never put up wallpaper. I should probably look up online how to do that. I literally don't have any idea how to do it at all. I don't even know where to start. I think there are some special tools you're supposed to use. So I'm gonna watch a couple of YouTube videos, see what I need to do, and then I'll be right back.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so I watched a couple videos. I have two tools with me. I have this little guy, which is gonna help me make sure everything is nice and straight. And then I have a box cutter. I couldn't find my X-Acto knife, so this is just gonna have to work for now. These panels are weird because they come in panels like this. It was pretty expensive, so I bought these while they were on sale. I think they're normally $90 a piece. And I bought like 16 pieces, which is so freaking expensive, but wallpaper is so expensive. But if you guys want this wallpaper as well, if you guys like the look of it, I'll link it down below for you guys. So much work. I am so tired already. That took about 4 minutes to do. So if I average like 5 minutes on every single one, it's going to take me 80 minutes to do 16 panels. So I think that's actually pretty good. I'm just sweaty already. I don't know why I wear a sweater. See, the only thing wrong with this is that I was slightly off in this one, but hopefully everything else is fine. What the heck? Wait, it's not lining up. Why is it not lining up? One up. It doesn't match up perfectly, but I think from far away you can't tell that it doesn't match up at all. So I think I'm okay with it for now, but it does bother me while I'm actually doing it. I think I'm just gonna do the entire top layer because it's so much work to do the top layer, and then I'll do the bottom one afterwards. So I decided that I actually needed to start on the bottom up because my ceilings aren't actually leveled. So I was getting really frustrated because my wallpaper was going all crooked and stuff, but I'm realizing it's actually easier to unroll the entire thing, or like most of it, and then place it from the center outwards. That has been like the easiest way for me to actually use the wallpaper. Ah! No! No, it's sticking together, it's sticking together, it's sticking together. Remember how I said this was only gonna take me 80 minutes to do? It's been almost 3 hours and I've only done 1/2 of the wall. How? Here, it's been 4 full freaking hours. I did not think it was gonna take this long for me to do this, but it looks so good. Guys, it looks so freaking good. I feel like it looks like I'm in a hotel now, like a nice Airbnb. I feel like it's finally decorated in here. It looks so nice, but there is just this giant mess down here now, so I need to clean this up. And then after that, I'm gonna put down the rug and move the bed back to where it was. Alright, so I'm grabbing a rug. I honestly don't even know what this rug looks like. I completely forgot what I bought, but I bought it last week, which is really sad that I don't remember what I got, but I'm pretty sure it's like a white rug. It's Moroccan style, slightly colorful, but mainly white, which is perfect. You guys know I love white and pink, so let me go grab that. Oh my god, she's heavy. Woo. Oh my god. really packed this rug. Holy cow. Oh my god. I think my scissors just broke. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I forgot what I got, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. Guys, do you see this? It's so pretty. And it's soft. Wow. Oh my god. Guys, I'm shook. It is so soft. Oh, I'm also so tired. I can probably take a nap right here. I'm actually kind of sad because my bed is gonna cover most of this rug, so you're not gonna be able to see any of it. This room is going to look so freaking cute. It's literally going to look like Urban Outfitters. My goal is for you guys to think this room looks Urban Outfitters, so. How freaking cute is this rug? I love it so freaking much. It does smell a little synthetic, and I definitely need to air out this rug, but for now, I'll just leave the doors open when I wake up tomorrow morning, and I think that should be fine. But it's honestly not too bad. Oof. So the edges of my rug are kind of rolling upwards, so I'm gonna put a bunch of heavy books on top of it. P.S. I just did my high school yearbook. It is so freaking embarrassing. How are we gonna do this? I think I can do it. I don't need a man. I don't need a man. I don't need a man. Oh my god, guys, I think I'm doing it! Yo! Okay. Guys, I did it! Now to put my bed back together. I literally just lost all my power and motivation and steam. I'm so dead right now. Ah! Okay. Get it together, Tiff. Ah! Alright, upside down you go. Ow, my nail. Ow. Ow, my nail, my nail, my nail, my nail. So I have these new sheets that I got from Parachutes. They actually sent this to me. They are a very, very pricey brand. I've had them for a few months now, and I just could not get myself to use expensive sheets like this. I just love my cheap $17 Target bed sheets, and I think it's time for me to become an adult and upgrade myself. All right, so I have these fitted sheets. They're so nice. I love the way they wrapped it and packaged it. Yay! Oh my god, this feels so nice. Oh, they're nice and cold. Matt is gonna be so excited. He loves new bed sheets. Oh my god, it looks so good in here. I know I keep saying oh my god a lot, but I'm so proud of it. It looks so cute in here. Wow, this is crazy. My room looks so nice already, and I've barely done anything, but I also feel like I've done a lot. Matt just got home. I'm filming his reaction. Now face me, but don't look.
What? How am I supposed to see?
Just face me. All right, open.
Ooh, it's very pink. It looks amazing. Wow.
Right?
Dang. It looks so good. It looks
Yay.
really good. Good job, baby.
Thank you. So I put some stuff in your room for now, but I promise by Saturday it'll be all gone.
Don't make promises you can't keep.
Oh,
We're
I'm
both
keeping
in
it.
yellow.
We are. Oh, I'm keeping it.
Orange.
All right, guys. guys, that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As you guys can tell, that video was filmed over a month ago. I still need to finish that actual room. While we are in self-isolation, that is going to be a goal of mine. So I figured I would upload part 1 today. In the next few days, or maybe next week, I'm gonna upload part 2 where my room is going to be completely finished. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying your self-isolation. Yesterday, I had a complete breakdown, which is why I'm uploading this video instead. I was just so sad and heartbroken yesterday. One of my friends actually lost her job because of the coronavirus, and I just felt so terrible and helpless for everyone who's not financially secure. I know a lot of us are struggling mentally right now, but those of you guys who are struggling financially, I just feel so horrible. I've just been feeling in my feels right now, but hopefully tomorrow is going to be a better day, and hopefully this video made you guys smile. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys are old, thanks for stopping by and supporting me and watching my videos. As you guys know, this is my job, this is my paycheck. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys turn on your notification bells so that you guys are notified every time I post a new video. I am on a schedule, I've realized. I post 2 videos in a row, then I have a break day. I had a break day yesterday because for me, when I film and edit it the same day, I literally don't go to bed till 5 a.m. And with the virus going around, I really do need to take care of myself. And yeah, if you guys made it to the end of the video, I want to know. So comment of the video is, what color are your walls in your bedroom? When I was growing up, my walls were baby blue, now they are pink. And yeah, I want to know what color your walls are, so let me know in the comments below. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.